Alright, so you want to change your car's oil filter. Awesome choice. It's one of those simple tasks that can really help your engine last longer, and I promise, you don't need to be a pro to do it. First things first, make sure your engine is cool. Hot oil is no joke. Pop the hood, locate the oil filter. It usually looks like a small metal canister and you'll find it screwed onto the engine block. Next, slide under the car, place your oil drain pan right beneath the filter. Grab your oil filter wrench and twist the filter counterclockwise. Sometimes it's on pretty tight, so don't be afraid to put a little muscle into it. Once it's loose, unscrew it by hand and let any old oil drain out. Before you pop on the new filter, take a bit of fresh oil and rub it onto the rubber gasket on the top of the new filter. This helps it seal better and makes it easier to remove next time. Now, screw the new filter on by hand. Don't over-tighten, just snug it up. Wipe up any drips, then refill your engine with fresh oil. Double-check the oil level with the dipstick and you're good to go. That's it. Oil filter changed, like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy car tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.